In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your LinkedIn message was read. Understanding whether your message reached the intended recipient can be quite crucial, especially if you're using LinkedIn for professional networking or job hunting. So, let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the LinkedIn website. You can do this by typing linkedin.com into your browser's search bar, or simply searching for LinkedIn on your favorite search engine. Once you've reached the home page, you will see a prompt to sign in. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do this first. Just click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email or phone number along with your password, and click Sign In again to proceed. After you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. This is where you can see updates from your network, such as new job posts, shared articles, and more. But today, our focus is on checking message statuses. So, what you'll want to do next is navigate to the messaging area. You can find this by clicking on the messaging icon, often represented by a speech bubble, located on the top navigation bar of the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're in the messaging section, you'll notice a list of people you've recently communicated with. These are your LinkedIn conversations. To check if a particular message has been read, click on the conversation you're interested in. Now, carefully look at the most recent message you sent in that particular conversation. If your message has been seen by the recipient, you will notice a small Seen checkmark icon underneath it. This checkmark is your indicator that the message was indeed read by the person you sent it to. However, it's important to note that LinkedIn doesn't notify you about exactly when your message was read, or who in a group conversation has read your message. It simply shows a checkmark once it has been seen by any of the recipients. This feature is especially useful for gauging engagement when reaching out for professional networking or following up on job applications. And there you have it. You now know how to verify if your LinkedIn message was read. Remember, communication is key in professional settings, and keeping track of your message interactions can give you better insights into your networking efforts. Happy networking! And I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and insights. See you in the next video.